Follow my journey and unbox this iPad Pro with me. Hey guys, this is Addie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be talking about how I manifested stuff from my vision board. Believe it or not, people. Yeah, I did. So in the beginning of the year, I think January 20 something, I created my first ever vision board. So I just created it because, you know, everybody keeps saying, oh, make a vision board. It'll probably come true. I'm like, well, what's the worst that can happen? It doesn't come through, I move on with my life. So I created one, and I would always be like, oh, I hope everything on my vision board comes through. I would just keep saying that, and then it got to the point where I was like, yeah, I don't think anything on is gonna come through. So I kind of just hid it. I just put it away, and recently it came to me like, girl, go check your vision board. Like, you haven't seen it in a couple months. So I went and I grabbed it, and then when I was looking at it, I was like, what the heck? Like 10 things on my vision board already came through. And I was like, holy, I wasn't even like showing appreciation or like gratitude for it. And I was like, what the heck? But yeah, so now on to what this video is really about. My iPad. So I had an iPad on my vision board because I really wanted one. Yeah, and I was able to buy it today. So you are gonna be unboxing this iPad Pro with me. Okay, catch me in the next clip. Follow my journey and unbox this iPad Pro with me. So this is the iPad Pro. This is the 12.9 inch, I believe it was. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And it was released in 2022. So let's see what's in the box. 1 minute of silence for the ASMR sounds. Okay, yeah. Now let's open the box. The moment you've all been waiting for. Pause for drum roll. Okay. Oh, this box. Oh, they really secured this box. Okay, yeah. Okay. So there's a tab thingy here to pull it up when you're opening it. I've watched enough videos of other people opening it to know that, right? Save the best for last. I'm just gonna keep you guys waiting because I know that's all you want to see. So designed by Apple. Thanks for that. Let's see what's inside. Ah, an Apple sticker. Nice. Now everybody can know I'm an official Apple owner. Then there's like the instructions manual that I am gonna read at some point later, not right now. I kind of want you guys to see on the video. Yep, and another instruction manual. Thanks for that, Apple. And some papers that I'm probably never gonna read. Yeah. I'll just put them back in. Trying to be tidy, you know? And then here's a charger. So it's a C to C lightning charge cable. And then the base. Okay. A little closer. So this is how it looks from the back. And voila. My finger already kind of smeared the screen a bit. I'll clean that up later. Alright, now let's find that power button. Oh, it's right here. Ooh, the Apple logo. We're just waiting on the Apple logo. Yeah. Oh, here it is. Oh, hi, iPad. I don't know what that means, but okay. I also don't know what that means. Hi in Spanish, I know that one. In French, yeah. Oh, I should have swiped up all along. Who knew? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me opening my iPad. You guys will see more of me for sure. I promise you that. Okay, bye. Woo!